subscribed to my channel yet? Because if not, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Gonna go for like a black and gold halo inspired eye, because when I think of New Year's, I don't know why I think like black and gold. So that's what we're gonna go with. So let's get to the tutorial. back with the finished look. The only thing that I did was added lashes and smoked out the bottom and added a black eyeliner because my camera wanted to be dumb and like cut off, okay? Because it said it got too hot internally. Whatever. So this is the finished look. What do you think? Rate it in the comments because I be trying to talk to y'all, but y'all act like y'all don't want to talk to me. Okay. Drop me a comment down below what you think of this look. No, for real, seriously. So, if you would like to see the pictures of this finished look, then please make sure that you go follow me on Instagram, okay? The link is in the description down below. Also, my Facebook, business Facebook, everything is Beauty by Keely. I'm just saying, you know. Just saying, okay? So, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more videos because we coming with the content all 2022, baby, okay? We gonna do better than 2021. My earrings clack, y'all. Fun fact, I don't do hair, but I thought these earrings would go perfectly with my top and stuff. So, okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!